If you're looking for a statement piece and like that tough G-Shock look, consider purchasing a G-Shock G-Steel. This one here is the GSTB100D 1A9, released all the way back in 2017. It was one of the follow-ups to the original GST S100, which were a little clunky and didn't include Bluetooth connectivity. Now this one is still a very large watch, but in this iteration they've slimmed it down a bit to measure 58.1mm lug to lug, 53.8mm across, and 14.1mm thick. The other standout feature is the Bluetooth connectivity, which allows you to use the G-Shock Connected app to automatically change the time if you decide to switch up time zones. It'll also change the time automatically if and when daylight savings comes around, which is really handy. But anyway, enough about the specs here. Let's talk about build quality and materials. Obviously, being a G-Steel watch, this watch's main material is stainless steel. Across the case, bezel, bracelet, and even in the face, some really shiny stainless steel is found. This obviously makes the watch really heavy at 185 grams, but for a watch this size, that really isn't too bad. There's some rough texture found in the bezel, and overall the finishings are really high quality. So hats off to Casio for taking the time to fine tune these materials. Unfortunately, this model doesn't use the famous carbon core guard, but I still wouldn't worry about knocks, bumps and scrapes considering its heftiness. But let's not forget, it's still a G-Shock, so no matter what you throw at it, it's going to come out the other side. This one here is solar powered, meaning natural or artificial light will power the movement. Nice and easy for daily or intermittent wear. Pretty much never have to worry about charging it up as long as it's exposed to light every so often. The bracelet feels nice and smooth, and those links feel pretty high quality, which you should expect from this price range. But something I do appreciate is the 3-fold clasp, which seems to be solid stainless steel. Clipping it back in sounds a satisfying click too. So there you go, that's the GSTB100D 1A9. A great watch in my opinion. Please let me know in the comments down below if you'd wear this one. The G-Steel range is really extensive, so if you want to check out the whole range, click the link in the description to head on over to watchdepot.com.au. If you've made it up to this point in the video, I think I deserve a like, so click that like button and subscribe for more watch content. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.
It sound right, boy.